Welcome to WDD's HotSpot. I'm Mike Luciano, Associate Editor, and in this week's episode we have the house that unravels itself, a debris sensor heading to the space station, and the future of cleaner clothes. Based in the United Kingdom, the firm known as Tenfold Engineering developed a ready-to-use, relocatable structure that's capable of self-deployment and can be utilized for a variety of functions, from mobile homes, offices, clinics, and shops to exhibitions, restaurants, even schools. One of the biggest upsides behind this is how the construct requires no machinery, labor, or foundation. These buildings unravel like an accordion in under 10 minutes and can fold back in on themselves just as easily. This particular function comes in handy for situations involving transport and relocation. The only requirements on your end are a handheld battery-powered drill. One of the more impressive aspects of this self-folding structure is its size, as each one pops open to 3 times its transport size to 64 square meters, or approximately 689 square feet. The structures even feature 20 square meters, or about 215 square feet of space for storing furniture or other equipment in transit. The structure's internal walls can be moved and arranged according to preference, are also capable of being stacked, and have the potential to go fully off-grid by using devices like solar panels to harness renewable energy. The self-folding bonuses start at around $129,000 or about €100,000 and will soon be available to buyers outside of the UK.
According to NASA, orbital debris smaller than 1 centimeter has reached an army of 100 million. At this size, they're difficult to track and can still inflict damage on passing spacecraft. For large objects, the International Space Station tracks them using ground control systems. Orbital debris shields handle pieces smaller than 1.5 centimeters, and now the space debris sensor will join the space junk fight. The SDS will be active for the next 2 to 3 years, acting as a calibrated impact sensor situated on the station's exterior. The entire design includes a resistive grid sensor system, sensor-embedded backstop, dual-layer thin films, and an acoustic sensor system. All this equipment will allow the SDS to provide real-time impact detection. The research team hopes the SDS data can locate the entire orbital debris population. This will help in the preparation and placement of future sensor systems beyond the ISS in more high-risk areas.
Known as the Tirso Steam, the device is capable of steaming, de-wrinkling, deodorizing, and drying any of your clothes in under 10 minutes. What's amazing about this device is how it only requires 3 ounces of water to use and is completely free of chemicals. According to the Tirso Steam's creators, the machine works a lot like an espresso machine. The user first puts in an item of clothing, chooses a scented pod that they load into the steamer, hit the button, and wait 10 minutes for the device to do its magic. One of the Tirso Steam's most innovative qualities is how the device doesn't have to be hooked to a water supply, as all the steam comes from the pods. The device is set to retail at around €306 or $330. The company is offering a discount for its early backers as it's nearly reached its online funding goals. No date is set just yet, however, the Tirso Steam is expected to become publicly available both in and outside of the UK at some point in 2018. That's all for this week's episode. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Mike Luciano. Thanks for watching.